Hi everyone, welcome to Revision. I'll be consistently uploading more videos from now on, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. That will motivate me to make more videos. In this video, we'll be looking at Dakun Rashid by Ajmal. Incenses, dupe and fragrances have been a part of every culture across the globe. People use it as a room freshener, for their meditation, prayers, then for their personal enjoyment, and also to send away evil spirits. This bakur, dakun, or whatever you call it, comes in various forms and types. People usually in the olden days used to burn the agar wood or wood, which the resin which is formed in the wood used to burn and produce extremely opulent smell. But gone are those days where you used to get authentic agar wood and stuff, because it's extremely rare now and the prices of it is skyrocketing. This one is more for the mass market and it is pocket friendly, but it gives somewhat a little experience of what the agar wood can give. It is in form of tablets. It's a bit oily. You just have to break it into pieces and burn it on charcoal, or I'm using an electric burner here. It heats the plate up and you can place the bakur in here. I purchased it from Ajmal store in Bangalore. You can order it online as well, but it's a must visit for fragrance enthusiasts as it is a good experience. The packaging of the product is great. It comes in an airtight container. It is a 200-gram box and it will cost rupees 750. It's worth it. The smell of it is extremely good. It is strong, and if you burn it, it will smell in your whole house and sometimes even from outside the house. You can even fumigate your clothes with the smell of it, and it stays on your clothes for a long time. The smell is luxurious and it will remind you of Dubai Mall. The main smell or the ingredients that I get from here is rose, musk, amber and some fake oud. Yes, at this price point you won't be getting some real oud, but the quality is good and it gets the job done. What I like about this bakur is that it's affordable, it's not challenging to use, almost anyone can use it. The drawback about this bakur is that it's not unique. If you want some unique and different bakurs, then you'll have to pay more for it. Always remember, when using bakur, burn it in a ventilated area and always keep them away from children. That's it for this video. Make sure you like it and comment your thoughts. See you in the next video.